Nissan is expanding its electric car lineup with the 2023 Ariya SUV, which will be available in the United States in the fall of 2022. The Ariya will join the Leaf hatchback in Nissan showrooms, offering a range of up to 300 miles, compared to the Leaf's maximum of 226 miles. The Ariya's design is a change from Nissan's current, harsh, angular looks. Could it be a game changer? Does it create an impact over the EV industry? What are the development plans of Nissan? Want to know the answers? What are you waiting for? Let's get started. Nissan unveiled the Nissan Ariya, a unique vehicle that combines Nissan's EV expertise with a beautiful SUV that has cutting-edge networking technology. The Model Y, however, isn't the only BEV crossover the Ariya will face when it hits showrooms this fall. Since Nissan first announced that it would be introducing another all-electric vehicle to its fleet to complement the extremely popular Leaf, 4 more all-electric vehicles have been revealed and launched. The brand new Ariya SUV comes with 2 battery capacities, a 63 kWh basic battery and an optional 87 kWh battery, as well as front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. The 2022 Ariya will be equipped with a variety of driver assistance systems, entertainment technology, and comfort amenities, allowing it to compete with similar-sized EV crossovers like the Tesla Model Y and Hyundai Kona Electric. We might be thinking that will Ariya rule out the EV industry surpassing Tesla? Nissan intends to sell just 30,000 of the model's first full year of global sales, according to 2 sources. In a market dominated by Tesla Incorporated, TSLA.O, and increased competition from rival automakers launching and developing their own electric SUVs. One person involved in the product's development remarked of the sales objective: "It's a little underwhelming." The Ariya will be available for purchase in Japan starting in mid-2021. Nissan has not specified when sales will begin in the United States, Europe, or China. According to a third source, the manufacturer wants to construct 40,000 cars in Japan in 2021, with annual output eventually increasing to 100,000. According to 2 sources, the model will also be built in China. Last year, Nissan's X-Trail and Rogue combined sold more than 500,000 vehicles in Nissan's core market, while Tesla's electric Model 3 sedan sold more than 300,000. Nissan sponsored Inside EV's 2-day journey to Madrid, Spain, for the first look and early driving impressions event. For a few laps, we drove a front-wheel drive pre-production Ariya with a 66 kWh battery pack around the Circuito del Jarama in Madrid. The circuit was set up with several pods to replicate various driving situations. We'd have wanted to test an all-wheel drive Ariya with the larger 91 kWh battery pack and Nissan's e-Force technology on the track, but those vehicles aren't currently ready for outside testing. The e-Force powertrain in the Ariya guarantees a strong, smooth, high-output driving experience for all passengers, as well as unrivaled riding comfort. Passengers in EVs with powerful rapid acceleration and strong lift-off brake regeneration frequently experience motion sickness as a result of the back-and-forth rocking motion. Nissan's e-Force system was created to address this issue while maintaining the Ariya's performance, braking, and handling qualities. But what makes Nissan Ariya that special, the plush, comfy cabin combined with a smooth ride, should appeal to purchasers who prioritize style, comfort, and a smooth ride over those who want to shred through winding canyon roads. In this way, the Ariya resembles a Hyundai Ioniq 5 more than a Kia EV6 or a Mustang Mach-E, although being more stylish than the retro-themed Ioniq 5. Nissan boasts the front-wheel drive type we drove, 214 horsepower and 221 pound-feet of torque, will accelerate from a standstill to 60 miles per hour in 7.2 seconds, which seemed about accurate. I would have predicted roughly 8 seconds, but the track was wet due to sporadic showers during the drive, so that could have pushed the launch time up a touch. Even though the Ariya is hefty, just over 4,000 pounds, and the surfaces are slick, there was surprisingly minimal understeer when I pushed it hard in the corners. However, I doubt the average Ariya owner will be examining performance at its maximum. Owners of the Mustang Mach-E, Kia EV6, and Tesla Model Y might be more concerned about this, given those competitive crossovers are sportier than the Ariya. Nissan's driver assistance technology, ProPilot 2.0, is the most recent version. ProPilot is a driver assistance technology that assists drivers in staying centered in their lane, navigating stop-and-go highway traffic, and maintaining a fixed vehicle speed and distance from the car ahead. In a single-lane highway traffic, ProPilot 2.0 expands on this by allowing attentive drivers to take their hands off the steering wheel under specific scenarios, lowering the driver's effort and stress. ProPilot 2.0 additionally supports multi-lane highway driving activities like lane changes, passing and exiting the highway. The system's 7 cameras, 5mm wave radars, and 12 ultrasonic sonar sensors detect lane markings and objects around the vehicle, allowing hands-free single-lane driving while maintaining traffic flow. It also makes safe and effective lane changes with the driver's simple button push confirmation. A specialized shark fin antenna is also used by the ProPilot 2.0 to obtain accurate GPS positioning, contributing in the creation of a smooth, predictable ride during assistance. ProPilot 2.0 detects the road surface, direction and speed limitations using the navigation system and high-definition 3D map data, changing vehicle speed accordingly for a safe and trouble-free ride. When employing the hands-off mode, a driver monitoring system placed on the steering column certifies that the driver is focused on the road ahead. ProPilot uses the rich 3D map data to keep the car centered in the lane with enhanced accuracy when driving in hands-on mode with a predefined route. Using road curvature data to safely maneuver around blind corners, the map data also allows for increased driver assistance during turning, thus decreasing driver stress. ProPilot with NaviLink gives you a better ProPilot experience. The system can now provide a better ride on single-lane highways thanks to the integration of road data and sensing technology. The hands-on driver assistance system can automatically modify vehicle speed based on the posted limits by connecting to the navigation system and using road map data. This fall, the Ariya will be available with 2 battery options, a 66 kWh, 63 kWh usable pack, and a 91 kWh pack, 87 kWh usable. Both packs include 400-volt cells and a sophisticated liquid thermal management, which is a significant improvement over Nissan's other all-electric vehicle, the Leaf. Early battery degradation and capacity loss should be eliminated, or at the very least considerably reduced, using such a method. In compared to other crossovers in its class, the Ariya's battery pack options are superior. With the exception of the Ford Mustang Mach-E, the battery in the Ariya is larger than all of its competitors. The driving range varies depending on the vehicle's powertrain arrangement and battery pack. The front-wheel drive Ariya, with the 91 kWh battery pack, is expected to reach EPA range certification of 300 miles per charge, according to Nissan. The all-wheel drive Ariya, with the 66 kWh pack, on the other hand, is estimated to have a range of 215 miles according to the EPA. We might be wondering that what makes Ariya the most favorite EV among the others? The inside of the Ariya is futuristic and minimalist. Nissan has removed every button in the aim of a smooth dashboard that matches the external appearance. Despite Nissan's promise that the Ariya's inside is unlike any other car, its minimalistic theme appears to be its only distinguishing feature. Not that the cabin doesn't appear to be a pleasant spot to spend some time, Nissan has included its comfortable zero-gravity seats into the design, which produces a roomy impression inside. Although the rear seat capacity is notably less than the front, it should still be comfortable and spacious enough for a couple of adults to go for long distances. It has the most futuristic connectivity ever. The digital gauge cluster and the infotainment screen are both displayed on dual 12.3-inch monitors. Standard features should include Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and in-dash navigation. The Ariya concept from 2019 featured a function that allowed the car to sync with the driver's schedule, allowing it to preheat or pre-cool the cabin while it was parked and charging, saving battery power. The concept also demonstrated technology that would let the driver use ProPilot's remote park to automatically park the Ariya from a nearby place, akin to Tesla's Smart Summon feature. Nissan has not stated whether or not these features will be included in the production vehicle. By analyzing the above features, we can say that Nissan Ariya is going to rule the EV industry. Will it replace Tesla? Will it be everyone's favorite EV? Let's wait and watch. That's the end of our video. Thank you so much for showering your love. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and get notified about the future updates. We'll see you soon. Until then, peace.